Hi guys, this time I will make Baechu-jeon. It's cabbage pancake, so recipes are very simple. So we will just need Korean cabbage, black pepper, salt, 튀김가루, and cooking oil. Of course, we will need water too. So very simple step. I will mix the 튀김가루, salt, and black pepper together. I will add salt, a little bit, black pepper a little bit, and water together. And we should mix. The texture of the butter should be like this. The cabbage by 튀김가루 by our butter, one by one. Okay guys, while we are frying the Baechu-jeon, I will prepare the sauce. As you can see, I already prepared the green chili and gochugaru chili powder, and then I will just add soy sauce together. So that will be our sauce. And then a little bit more.